So from here, we move ahead to the next one. That is search settings. Before we can do anything on this, we have to go and show you where the search settings is. So that is the first thing. So what I do is I go to my home page and I will make a search. For example, car, and I'll say search, and here is advanced search. That is what we're going to be working with. So the first thing it says, what is the maximum price for our advanced search? If you can look here, that price is 100,000. So when you come here, that is the 100,000 here. Let's quickly adjust that figure to 200,000 and say save changes. Then let's go to home page and reload the page and see if we're going to have any change. As you can see, it's changed to 200,000. So that is that about that. Now location in search bar. Here says turn on or off location in search bar. This is our search bar and this is location. For any reason you want to remove this, you can see we have 1, 2, 3. If for any reason you want to remove this one, you simply come here, turn it off and save changes. So when you go back to the home page and reload, it's gone. So I'm going to put it back. Here it says select location type. Do you want location to be in drop down or you want to be able to input text? Drop down is selected. So let's see how it is. Look at the location drop down. And what kind of location is displayed here? United States, United Kingdom, these are countries. And that's why we have country here. So we have drop down. Let's see text input and say save changes. In this option, we won't have a drop down anymore when I reload. So I reload and when I click here, there's no drop down. So I'll go back and choose drop down. And if I want states or city, I can choose state and say save changes. So what that means is that by the time I reload, I will not have countries here anymore. Instead, I will have states. The next one is price range in the sidebar advanced search. Turn on off the price range in the sidebar advanced search. Now what is price range? In the advanced search, do you want to turn off or on the price range? Let's see. This is price range. Now do you want to turn it off on advanced search? Let's put it off and see what happens, and we save changes. It means that the price range is no longer available on the advanced search. Look at, it's gone. The price range is gone. Let's bring back the price range. I choose on and I say save changes, and I go to this place. Watch, here is keyword. By the time the price range comes in, this keyword is going to go down. So I reload the page, and here is the price range, and here is keyword has moved down. So that is that about that setting. The next one is select the price range style. Price range slider with radio, that is what is selected. That is this price range slider. If you don't want a slider, you can choose the other option, which is by inputting the maximum and minimum price input. Let's select that and save changes and see how it will look like. So I reload, and as you can see, we have minimum price and maximum price instead of the slider. so you can easily impute the price, and you come down and click on search. So here, back here, I want to return it because this seems to be easier for me. Alright, the next one is advanced search on category page. Do you want advanced search to be available on category page? It is set on. Now let's go to category page first. So what I'll do here is I'll just go to the home page. From the home page, I will choose a particular category, automotive, as an example. Now look at this. Advanced search on category page. We are on automotive category. So look at advanced search here. Do you want me to turn it off? If I turn it off, then what we have is featured ads and latest ads. So let me go and turn it off and save changes. So I come back here and reload, and it's gone. So we have featured ads and latest ads remaining. So I want to bring it back. So the next one here is how many posts on the search map do you want to be displayed? Whenever you search for something, for example, if you want to search for a phone and I choose all categories and I say search, this search map appears here. As you can see, the search map. Now it's asking how many posts do you want to be displayed on the search map. If you want 100 posts, you put 100 here. Whatever number you want, you put there. It's as simple as that. How many featured ads on search page? Like whenever you search and a page opens up, how many featured ads do you want to be displayed on that page? You just make your choice. It's up to you. Here it says, how many featured ads do you want to be shown on the search result page? Regular ads will be shown after the number of the featured ads you have selected here. Now we'll go to the next one. How many ads to include in Ajax search? It is still up to you. Look at what it says here. It says from here you can set a number of ads you want to be shown in the Ajax result on keyword types. You can limit the ads count to increase the response time if you are using a cheap host. Still on search result, you want to impute how many ads you want to show on Ajax search. Now here it says that you should limit the number of ads you want to put here, because the more ads you show, it's going to limit the response time of your website. So make it just few, or like 10, or I just search field in the top search bar. If you want this Ajax search field on the top search bar, you can turn it on or you turn it off. And the last but not the least, here we have the advanced search position, and here it is set to in sidebar. This is what we mean when we search for anything such as mobile phone and click on search. This advanced search is by the sidebar. That is what we have in sidebar. When we take it to the top position and say save changes, the position is going to change when we reload this page. So look at the position right now, it's at the top, and that is why we have top position. So that is all for this part. Let's go to the next one, which is blogs. So if you come to blogs and you come to our home page, we don't have blogs showing here. So we simply go and get the blogs to show on our home page. So we can do that by going to pages, then check the theme responsible for our home page. Look at our front page, we edit it, we check the theme we are using, So here we are using landing page. Let's change it to v4 and say update. So when we come back and reload, and let's see if we're going to have blog on the home page. Yeah, we have blog on the home page. So now we can do what we want to do. So here, blog section title says latest from blog, and here is it. So you can change that to whatever you want to show here. And in this section, whatever you want to display here, you're going to put inside here on the blog section description. Then the next one is how many posts. So how many blog posts do you want to be shown in the blog section on the home page? Here we have 3, but let me change it to 1 and see what happens. And I say save changes. So I go back to the home page and I'm going to reload. And after that, I have 1 blog post because I changed it to 1. So let me change it to 3 or 6. So now blog section post order. How do you want to order your blog post? So you can choose the order by which you want to arrange your blog post. It could be by date, or random, or by name or title. And blog post order, do you want to order it in descending or ascending order? You choose the option you want here and you say save changes. And that's all for this segment. Thank you for watching the video. I will see you on Layout Manager.